Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to remove add-ons from Google Drive. Open Google Drive. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the window. Choose Settings from the list. A new window will open. Choose Manage Apps from the left side list. Look for the add-on that you need. Click on Options. Choose View Product Page from the list. Click on Uninstall. Click on Uninstall App in the pop-up window. Close the window once you're done. Let's remove another add-on. Look for the add-on that you need. Click on Options. Choose Disconnect from Drive. Click on Disconnect in the pop-up window. Click on Done when you're ready. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!